extraordinary landscapes. White sand beaches, steep cliffs, little paradises hosted by the Atlantic Ocean. The islands of Monteagudo, Faro and San Martino make up the Cies archipelago, which is part of the National Park of the Atlantic Islands of Galicia. This mysterious and hardly inhabited paradise is a gift from nature. However, its true richness can be observed when we plunge into its pure waters. Hundreds of marine species coexist in the bottom of the sea, which makes this small archipelago an oasis of life and one of the most productive areas in Europe. But its waters, like those of other seas and oceans, also hide a lethal trap for the organisms that inhabit them. The so-called ghost nets. They are one of the most harmful forms of marine plastic litter, subjecting animals to a slow and painful death from exhaustion and suffocation. The accumulation of large amounts of nets on the seabed can damage key habitats for the fauna that lives in the bottom of the sea, contributing to the loss of populations of commercially important species, threatening the livelihood sustenance of coastal communities. Ghost nets include any type of commercial fishing gear or equipment that has been abandoned, lost, or discarded at sea. Fishermen's main concern is to ensure that no fishing gears are lost. Despite this, factors such as the weather conditions, the type of bottom, the operational conditions, entanglements, poaching, etc., lead to a significant number of nets ending up on the seabed. CleanAtlantic Project, funded by Interreg Atlantic Area Programme, includes 19 organisations from Spain, France, Ireland, Portugal and the United Kingdom, and it is coordinated from Galicia by Technological Centre of the Sea, CETMA Foundation. Its aim is to improve our knowledge and skills to monitor, prevent and reduce the amount of marine litter, as well as to raise awareness of its impact. In order to do so, CleanAtlantic counts on the collaboration of key stakeholders, such as the maritime and fishing industry, research centres, governmental agencies and the civil society. In order to reduce marine litter and to raise awareness among our citizens, CETMA, along with the National Park of the Atlantic Islands of Galicia and a team specialised in scientific diving, has developed a pilot action to retrieve lost or derelict fishing gear. This activity is part of the measures of protection the park has implemented so as to preserve the habitats in this valuable ecosystem. The retrieval of abandoned, lost or discarded fishing gears must be carried out taking into consideration human safety and evaluating the risk, benefits and damage that this activity may cause to the marine environment and habitat. Besides considering these aspects, the pilot action paid special attention to the correct handling and management of the retrieved net, using specific containers placed at the docks for their subsequent collection and transport to the waste treatment plant. The CleanAtlantic Project proves that we can find solutions to this problem, and we are undoubtedly still on time to reverse this situation. Preventing the arrival of waste at sea is the front line of action against marine litter. Today's decisions will be the health of tomorrow's oceans. Our future depends on us.